Hello, in lecture number 7 of diode and their applications, we will study the next rectifier is the full wave bridge rectifier. We already studied that two rectifiers such as half wave rectifier and center type rectifier. In half wave rectifier, there is only one diodes are used. In center type rectifier, there is a two diodes are used. Now we will study the full wave bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier, this construction is called as the bridge because in bridge rectifier there are how many diodes are used? There are four diodes are used: first, second, third, fourth. See here, in the these two diodes are parallel here and these two diodes are parallel here. A bridge rectifier uses four diodes to convert both half cycles of the input AC into DC output. Basically, full wave rectifier conducts for half wave cycle as well as positive cycle as well as negative cycle. This is the positive cycle. In this positive cycles, these two diodes are working at a time. These two diodes are working at a time, and in negative cycle these two diodes are working at a time. How to work? Video See next. In this type of rectifier, the diodes are connected in a specific form as given below. In this rectifier, the diodes are connected in this specific form. These two diodes are parallel diodes and these two diodes are parallel diodes. The construction of bridge rectifier. First point is that the construction diagram of bridge rectifier is as shown in figure. Second point is that the construction diagram of bridge rectifier is basically consist into AC source, four diodes D1, D2, D3, D4 and load resistance REL. Second point, again I am repeat here, bridge rectifier consists into AC source, four diodes and load resistance REL. Now working of bridge rectifier basically work into two cycles, positive half cycles and negative half cycles. First we will study the positive half cycles. During the positive half cycles, the diode D1 and D2 becomes forward bias. During the positive half cycle, this is the positive half cycle. In positive half cycle, this terminal is positive and this during the positive half cycle, this A terminal is positive with respect to B. This A terminal is positive with respect to B. So here is the positive supply and here is the negative supply. Due to this positive connection, this positive connection is directly connected to anode. So diode D1 is forward bias, and similar construction D1 is similar convention to D2. So D1 and D2 acts as a forward bias and D3 and D4 acts as a reverse bias because this negative terminal is connected to anode and negative terminal is connected to positive. So diode D4 is reverse bias. Similarly, diode D3 is also a reverse bias. So during the positive half cycle, diode D1 and D2 becomes forward bias and D3 and D4 becomes reverse bias. The diode D1 and D2 form a closed loop. Diode D1 and D2 form a closed loop. Why? Because in forward bias, diode acts as a short closed switch, and in reverse bias diode acts as a open switch. So the diode D1 and D2 form a closed loop that provides a positive output voltage across the load resistance RL, and output of positive half cycle is like this. This is the output of positive half cycle. In positive half cycle, D1 D2 on, D1 D2 on and D3 D4 off, and D3 D4 off here, and D3 D4 off. Now in negative half cycle, In negative half cycle, during the negative half cycle, the diode D3 and D4 acts as a forward bias. Why? Because during the negative half cycle, this one is the A terminal and this is the B terminal. During the negative half cycle, A is negative with respect to B. So, this terminal is the negative terminal, this terminal is the negative terminal and this terminal is the positive terminal. So this diode D1 and D3 acts as a reverse bias because this terminal is the negative terminal. Negative terminal is directly connected to anode. So D1 is the reverse bias as well as D2 is also a reverse bias. But this positive terminal is directly connected to anode and anode having a positive charge. So this positive connect with this positive. So diode D4 and D3 acts as a forward bias and D1 and D2 acts as a reverse bias. So during the negative half cycle, D3 and D4, this is the negative half cycle. This is the negative half cycle. During the negative half cycle, D3 and D4 becomes a forward bias and D1 and D2 becomes a reverse bias. But the polarity across the load resistance RL remains same. And we get here the output here. And this is the output of negative half cycle. In negative half cycle, diode D1 and D2 off. Diode D1 and D2 off and D3 and D4 on. And D3 and D4 on here. And so complete diagram of full wave rectifier is like this. Here the AC input and this one is the AC output. Here D1 D2 on, D3 D4 off and here D1 D2 off, D3 D4 off here. Now advantages of bridge rectifier: low ripples in the output of DC voltage, higher rectification efficiency and low power loss. Disadvantages: bridge rectifier is more complex than half wave rectifier. Why? Because in bridge rectifier there are 4 diodes are used and more power loss compared to the center tapped full wave rectifier. More power loss. Bridge rectifier having a more power loss as compared to the center tapped full wave rectifier. Now we will study the comparison of half wave rectifier, center tap rectifier and bridge rectifier. First parameter of comparison is the number of diodes. In half wave rectifier there is a 1 diodes are used. In center tap rectifier 2 diodes are used and in bridge rectifier 4 diodes are used. In ripple frequency of half wave rectifier is 50 Hz, center tap rectifier is 100 Hz and bridge rectifier is 100 Hz. Ripple factor of half wave rectifier is 121%, center tap rectifier is 48% and bridge rectifier is also a 48%. Center tap transformer is not required for half wave rectifier. Center tap transformer is required for center tap transformer is required for center tap rectifier and it is also not required for bridge rectifier. Peak inverse voltage of half wave rectifier is Vm, center tap rectifier is 2 Vm and bridge rectifier is the Vm, and this one is the circuit diagram of half wave rectifier, center tap rectifier and bridge rectifier. If any queries related to this lecture, then you will ask me.